In this tutorial I'm going to briefly show you how to set up a well alignment file for use with the multi-camera array microscope, or MCAM, and a 96 well plate, and also comment on how to modify this setup for either a 24 or 48 well plate. First, place a 96 well plate on the stage of the MCAM and then open the MCAM acquisition software by clicking the white MCAM icon on the left side of the screen. At the top of the screen, click Refresh Image to make sure we have the current view of the well plate on the screen. The well plate is already in focus on my system, but you may need to adjust the Z stage height using the stage controls to obtain an optimal focus level. Go to the Tools menu at the top of the screen and click Well Alignment. There are three important numbers here. First, we see that the default values for columns and rows are 12 and 8, which match our 96 well plate. For a 24 well plate, we would want to change these to 6 columns and 4 rows, and for a 48 well plate, we would change them to 8 columns and 6 rows. Next, we will set the well diameter, and this number is also very important. For a 96 well plate, this number should be 1024. This diameter is slightly larger than the well diameter, but the machine learning tracking model expects to see an image of this size, so it is important to get it correct. For a 24 well plate, the diameter should be 2048, and for a 48 well plate it should be 1536. Once the parameters are set correctly for the 96 well plate, click Detect Well Alignment. Notice that the red circle indicators pop up on the screen, but they are not aligned with the wells. This is expected. We just need to adjust the 4 corners and update the layout. Double-click on the center of each corner circle and drag it to the correct location so that it is centered on the well. Once all 4 corners are aligned correctly, click Update Well Alignment and the rest of the array will pop into place. If further adjustment is needed, you can tweak the corner locations and update again until it is perfect. Once you are happy with the well alignment layout, click Save Well Alignment in the Well Alignment panel. Generally, we have tried to keep these files in a central location, so we save them on the desktop in a folder labeled Well Alignment or Alignment Files. If you change the file name, make sure that it keeps this suffix to be recognized as a dictionary file. Click Save to save the alignment file. Now that you have a well alignment file defining the location of each well, this file can be used repeatedly with the MCAM. Please note that different brands of well plates may have slightly different well locations, so you may need to remake this file if you change your well plate. If you have any questions about setting up these alignment files, please email us at help@ramonaoptics.com. Thanks for joining us and see you in the next tutorial.